Thanks, beauties, for tuning in to Inward Beauty, where we remind beauties everywhere of how beauty starts within. Today we're going to juice some celery. I already have it rinsed really good. I'm going to cut off the little end piece here. I can see you guys now saying, oh, she didn't take it a piece little by little and rinse it off. Whatever, I rinsed it already. Now, if I was fancy, I would pour this in a glass. But since I don't feel like being fancy today, I'm just going to drink it. Thanks for tuning in to Inward Beauty, where we remind beauties everywhere of how beauty starts within.